How do I find my last year's AGI in eSmart tax? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to locate the adjusted gross income AGI from the previous year in the eSmart tax for the 2023 tax year in eSmart tax. First of all, visit the eSmart tax website and log into your account using your credentials. Locate a feature such as prior year returns or view past returns on your account. This option might be under a menu bearing your name or in a section related to your tax submissions. Once you access the section for the prior year return, select the 2023 tax year and you might encounter a drop-down menu for the list of the years to choose from. Review the summary of your return. Upon choosing the correct tax year, you should be able to review a synopsis of your tax filing for that year. Seek out a segment labeled Adjusted Gross Income AGI or a similar identifier. The AGI for the 2023 tax year should be visible within the segment. Take note of this figure as it will be necessary for your current year's tax filing or any other pertinent issues. And if you face any challenges or if the process deviates from the instructions provided by me, it is recommended to consult eSmart Tax official resources to reach out to their customer support for the guidance. They can offer tailored assistance specific to their platform and any recent updates or alternations they have implemented. So this is basically on how can you find the last year's AGI in eSmart tax. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.